Give it up for the one and only Funny Bone.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But first of all, I know Sabi use this thing. Bobby, come, oh, come. Who did there? Come. Now fall a day, so come. Bobby, stand face me. Just stand face me. Hey. Thank you. Carry on, go. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for honoring me. Thank you. Appreciate. Thank you. You know, I just got back from London. Yeah, so actually my accent, so permit me, you know, for a while, I'm gonna sound like I'm still there. So you're gonna sound like you're here. But don't forget it, I'm Igbo. So once in a while, my accent will creep in. Because Igbo men, no matter where we go, our accent is still the same. E-money, after all the money, accent very thick. Samuel Poso, after all the welu, in between, thick worry there inside. You can't take it away. Thank you for honoring me. Despite the economic situation, I didn't expect this turnout. But really, the country had. We had this change. No be so we plan them. It be like they go leave us as we did before. At least as we did before, our shows they full. Our actors, no, they change their work. They imagine Shagaris, they call me for night. Say, Funny Bone, do you have ushers? I say, yes. I say, but why are you asking me? He say, I can usher. I say, bros, with your face, my guys go turn back. Oh. Don't bother. Bros, na joke ade. It's really hard. Now, the anointing, he said, yesterday, my ex-girlfriend, call me, the actor nice. Baby, wow, your show is tomorrow, yeah? Answer them, yeah. So, baby, wow, it's a big show. Alibaba, Bobby, MI, wow. Are they all coming? I say, yeah. He said, but wait, how much is the ticket? I say, wait, you see all this information? You know, see ticket price. He say, you are funny bone, you can joke, stop joking. I say, you shut up, you are a joker. He said, okay, okay, I want ticket, will you give me half a price? I say, fine, the business, things tough, half a price, take it. I said, so? He said, oh, thank you. I said, so after the show, where will you go? He said, after the show, I'll just go home. Just like that. Say, yes, now, you're a joker. I say, no. After the show, half a price. You won't go. You will spend half a night. Oh. Let's share it. My mother came in today and I asked her. She asked me, say, your show. Hey, you couldn't do mother. I said, yes, I know, mommy. Say, hey, this is your table. How much? But she not talk English. Naibo. Ego. I said, mommy, 500,000. He said, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500,000. I said, yes. He said, where will I stay? I said, table. He said, I will stand up. I tell her, say, no, this is not Lagos. They go tweet him, Funny Bone's mother seen standing around in Lagos, up and down. He said, my brother, happened there. Jehovah Boeze. My landlord, Yoruba man. FUNNYBONE, yo. Ah, Kilo Poppy, comedian. Yeah. I hear your show is FUNNYBONE on Tamu. I say not on Tamu. Not on Tamu, on Tame. It's English, on. About that, no talk. I do on Tame. You won't join. And you're Igbo. On Tame. And you bring it down. Say it freely. On Tame. No, not on Tame. Comport yourself. On Tame. Say it again. Don't be shy. Say it again. Don't be shy. That's you. Thanks for learning. I thought you learn in public. I see Mike Esronye, fine boy actor. Yellow. Big boy. You the heart. Don't worry. And you see yellow. If like this change, never did you. My brother, you go soon black. Irofo, my brother, Irofo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's my first show in Lagos. My first time having people sit down to watch me on my show. I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. It gives me joy, you know. When I'm asked to switch to my normal accent, the accent where I'll take perform. Now, it gives me joy. Because in London, where I went for a show with Basket Mouth, it's not mouth. Yeah, because over there, you need to work on your diction. It's called basket what? Mouth. Yeah, mouth. Even Basket Mouth knows a big column. With the help of my times. Basket Mouth. Now, over there, every show, after 1 hour, they go take break. People go stand up, go outside, go drink water, come back, 30 minutes break. And I said to myself, because I'm the first Nigerian comedian where they come from London, do show that same week, I do here today. Alright? So right now, I tell you all, are they Chris? Chemona, go outside. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my mother came all the way from Kaduna for this show. Please make some noise for my lovely mom. She's over there. Mommy, just stand, wave. No shout, praise the Lord, though. Sit down. Before you go this in the house fellowship now, praise the Lord, though. You say what's on here? It's a show, right? And I heard they interviewed you on the red carpet. I don't know, I've stopped them. Because now my friends going to yap me and say, FUNNYBONE. This your mother, Shana, wow. But men, trust me, man, whether she speak or not, leave them. Now my mama. And my mama, I love them, die. This woman suffer for my head, no be small. My mother never lies. My mom had never lied to me before. If she tells you yes, her yes is yes. If she tells you no, her no is no. My mother don't stop to the way she stopped making up like a long time ago when she turned born again. Okay, was it born again? year 94. Yeah, she turned born again. Now, my mom, you know the lie. She tells me the truth as it be, word for word. My mother tell me, say, my leave bad friend. 2 weeks after she said that to me, that boy, they shoot him for robbery. He died. No jokes. My mom tell me, say, if you go to school, don't make friends anyhow. Pray in your room. Be careful. Be good to yourself. Don't follow bad friends. I enter uni just, sharp boy. I see things. But I don't let those things see me. I was calm. Why? My mother talked to me. My mom, no clap yet, my land. My mom tell me, say, live yourself pure. Be a virgin, because as a virgin, if you pray, God answers. My mom, this same woman, my mom, now your mom, my mom, this same woman, tell me, Chibuna, get to school, leave sex. There's no pleasure in sex. Sex is nothing. Don't have it, but pray. God will answer you. I gave you Chibuna, I had a reason. Fine, she no lie. I enter school, Diploma 1, clean. Dip 2, clean. Year 1, clean. Year 2, clean. 3rd year, clean. final year, I dey waka for my room. I just fall. Somebody fall on top me. I just closed my eyes. In about these 2 minutes, I felt a sensation. Mommy, you lie. You dey sweet oh. I know say this is why I talk now. My mother dey shock. That's not my son, Jesus. I'm your son. All those times you call me, I want to buy this. This is my shop. All the money comes from here. So anything I talk, take it like that. Now, this is my mother again. This woman. Mommy, my dad is late. God bless his soul. I wish he were here today. You know, he's one man who didn't wait to see me get to where I was headed. You know, one of my biggest pain in life is that I didn't get to give my father a dime before he died. You know that pain, yeah? You know, the man a comedian. You know, I feel like say in there now, they watch me. My mom and my dad, two unique people. My dad attend school. White people teach him. Well, my mom attend school. Well, she's just there. Now, for school, when I get issues, it's a bit, you know, crappy. I don't know who to call. Whenever I call my mom, or I call my dad. Now, see why it's bad. My dad, now disciplinarian. At 7 p.m. in my house, till date, even when he don't die, 1-7 knock. My mother, they imagine, she the house, even when she know the house. But my father, an action man. We're 5 boys, 1 girl. My only sister, they not born any man well. They can find and come our area. The only time where my father let her happen, I went in, come back, see where man lap my sister for leg. Bam, they take her, she laugh. And he shout, Jesus. Here we are. Neka. As the boy turned, my father shout, Chineke, Mikelobi, now come inside. How are you? Came like a chase. Okay, okay. Now feel free. Never inside. Mikel, Diambele. They pay me. Yeah? Women don't make sex. They too. Hi. Mommy, once I talk sex, look you. I feel bad. So, I'm going to face this side. Sex. Women don't make them bad. When our mothers were born, when our mothers exist, sex will be hard work. My mother tell me, say for Bible, the only time when you're supposed to think of sex and when you want bump again. Only procreation is the reason why as a man, your thing will move. If you do not born a sin, mommy, you dey lie. Now, Mile, Najukadio. Now, this my mother confused me. Now, the only one that makes sex hard now. Women now, baby, turn me, baby, bend me, baby, now walk. Baby, what? Baby, I'm not yet there. Take me there. Take me there. Take me there. No, baby, turn me. You be mechanic. Now, the only style where they are approved publicly is the missionary style. And then why they call them mission. It is biblical. It is mission. Easy. No stress. Our mothers and fathers did it easily. Hey, nah, ibatana. Lie down. Oh, wow. Simple. And they gave birth to better children. With ease. And see children they talk. They talk with ease. Ladies and gentlemen, why? The process now ease. Nowadays, kill me, turn me. Oh, I'm not there. Damn. Oh my, I'm not there. Shut up. Children, when I'm born, 30G. where's Kosi Ojako? Where's Kosi? How come I'm not seeing you? I should be seeing you by now. Where's Kosi Ojako? Where's she at? They took you to that side. Please zoom. Oh, show me Kosi here. Hey, Kosi. Kosi. No follow, something serious. Kosi, I like your style. If you take your weakness, make it be your strength. What do you do for this country? No gear, feed one. Carry breasts. It's a market. Only you one. Let me tell you. Mommy, you like her breast? No like her more. These are end time children. Now, oh, see my fine mother. Mommy, I love you. Mommy, leave breast, oh. Leave breast. Now, my mother tell me, say, any woman will get virtue. They see through man. Say the woman, they see the man future through one. Say once girl look you, she go no. Obama wife, years ago, said to Obama the first day he asked her out, he said to him, baby, sometime, someday, you will rule. You can. After a while, it happened. Good luck, Jonathan, in case you don't know. But for those of you who say patience is too loud, go and find out. She stood by him from the onset to the day he made it. That makes you a good woman. Do you understand? But that was then. Nowadays, women, I toast one girl, I tell them, baby, look at me. My future is bright. Look into my eyes. Stay with me. In the future, together, we will make it. She laughed. Funny bone, they go. I will meet you for front. Before now, I don't know. Our mothers know who be fine boy, who no fine, who ugly, who no ugly. They married for the quality, for the man, for virtue. They married for intent. They married for love. My mother did not know my dad till a package of my gift sent to my dad. She was 17. My dad, dark man, but handsome. My mom, child abuse. At that time, at 17, you were gone. Rose Paul, you don't know why you get by here this early. Now because say your mom don't look your father well. Like as she look, she was see the gap, run. But she stayed. Now see the product. So my mom didn't know my dad. She just the package jam. She come Lagos, see my mom. They born. See the product. But then they had value for marriage. They were more in love. They have respect for each other. Comedians now, entertainers, we don't follow suit because we know our weaknesses. Some of us, when it's so good, they find meet up. Gilo Sago, my boss, is brief. And he run, marry IB. Ladies and gentlemen, that's IB. My Oga wife. Show her face, she's freaking pretty. They born children, Peking, tall. She don't help Julius kill that gene of shortness. Bobby gets shoulder issues. I don't know if you noticed, Bobby's shoulder be like this. He looked around, he saw Christabel, he told her, baby, will you marry me? She said yes. Thank God. Today, Bobby's daughter, fine girl. Basket mouth eyes, they won't fall off. He begged Elsie, pretty lady, hot. Elsie agree. Elsie daughter, and my son go marry him. She too fine. It depends me because our actresses, when in this country, for God's sake, if you go abroad, see our actors, their names, they sound as if they Brad Pitt, Eva Mendes, Forrest Whitaker, Danny Glover. That are their real names. But for Nigeria, these actresses, they confuse us. They change their name, make it for make sense. Rita Dominic. Only yesterday, and now this paper say her real name, Rita Matorocha. I felt bad about it. In Yedo, only yesterday again, I know say her real name in Yebong, Edo. There's one Elliot, I didn't know he was that much of a Lagosian until the in contest. Now I see his name, Desmond Olushola Elliot. The annoying one girl who would answer Kiki Omeli. Oh my goodness. Her full name is Nkiruka Omeli. It's Sir Shagun Arinze. Shagun Aino Olabode Arinze. Too bad. And it's paining me. And that's why I said to myself, I go, Shege, my man. Shagun, yo, where's madam? She came. Please, let's clap for Shagun's wife, please. She's not here. She didn't make it. Wow. You asked her not to make it? It's fine, sir. So you know I'm her fan. So once I don't see her, it affects me. She ain't here. Make some noise for a woman who has shown me love from day one. It's been above people the same as she's here. Please clap for her, please. IB, what's up? How are you? How you doing? IB, I think no say for this life, work hard. You meet people who you saw before. When I was young, I read papers in KD, Hint magazine, Heart magazine. You hear Ibn Abo opens Pyramid Club. Ibn Abo opens, and I never felt or known or know or to fear. I never felt that I would meet her in my life. But today, I'm seeing IB face to face. IB, you don't tell. Nice woman. Bless. Now. As far as I was concerned, when I was young, pants, I was thinking you they wear inside. So I was taught. I don't know if you know too. Pants is where? Inside. I came to Lagos and they just said to me, FUNNYBONE, wow, you look nice. Look at your pants. I'm like, Jesus. How you take Siam? Because to me, that was insane. Those days, my mom told me a lot. She said those days, say woman they fear man. Say 80s, when woman see man call am, psst, woman they shame. Psst. Hello. What's your name? I don't know. Where do you stay? Jesus. I be number gave any. Can I know your house? No, my mommy say, but in my house, I'll get pregnant. That was nowadays, all these women, all these girls, end time, destiny killers. Once you look them, they will look you back. Hello, do you like me? Say something. I don't know. Now these our actors where when I go see Aiko Bona. They call me here. Person no shout. Alex Ekubo. Oh my God, he sees parts. Waka. All these actors, they don't get money. They know how gang. Chipo or Basel. You know how gang. Michael Lonye hold one picking. And I'm going to see them. Oh, Michael Lonye. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now we're not too fine. Now we get money. Now we. Now we. I tell you, Michael Adenuga, the owner of Global Conglomerate as a whole, it's not too fine. He's just there. But in pocket, they. $100 we get Fort Oil. It's not too fine. And daughter fine. But in pocket, they. He's just there. E-money. They wear cap all the time. All the time cap. In back head, reach in neck. You're not too old, you're not too fine, but he's just there. Imoni, a joke. Maybe after now, you're not going to bless me again. Na joke I do. We're not going to shout. Check out easy. He the act. Shaggy. You know now. You are just there. Oh, think I'm. Jilosagu. Get money. When your wife, fine. You know to show. Bovy. Lucky man. Thank God for Christabel. Speaking fine. I see Bobby's son. I say, Bobby's son, David, how are you? Who born you? Say, my dad is Bobby. I said, are you sure? You're too cute to be son. Thank God for mama. Me, when they here, see my mom. The only issue I get, we say, my father fine. Like say my father marry who just by now I could be model. Ladies and gentlemen, every joke I've said tonight, every joke I've said all my career has been a hit back to back. From deaf and dumb to Naira Kobo to Waiting You Get to Boyfriend and Wife to Ali Baba and wife, all my jokes have been a hit. Tonight, I said to you all, FUNNYBONE is taking over.
Now watch me whip, now watch me nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay.